Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to close your Shopify store. So first of all, go into Shopify on your computer and then log into Shopify account. So now what you have to do is firstly click on where it says apps, and in here I would like you to double check so that if you are paying for any Shopify apps right now, that you actually go into those apps and actually cancel your subscriptions for them one by one before canceling your account on Shopify. So make sure that you actually do so, and when you are done with that, now click on settings in the bottom right corner, and in settings just click on this domains in the left. And if you have any domains on Shopify that you basically bought from Shopify, then make sure that you are actually going to, if you want to keep it basically, that you actually can transfer it somewhere else basically. So that is what I am trying to tell you. And after these things, what you have to do is click on where it says plan right here, and we are now going to be taken to this page. You can see that I just have like a trial right now on Shopify, so I can only like click on deactivate trial right here. But if you want to cancel your Shopify store, and if you are actually paying something for Shopify right now for the Shopify plan, then you should be able to see in here where it says like cancel store or something like that. So click there and basically you are done. This is how you can close your Shopify store. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.